Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help you work through the Dissociative Identity Disorder Assessment. What is a Dissociative Identity Disorder Test? A Dissociative Identity Disorder Test or assessment identifies potential symptoms and signs of Dissociative Identity Disorder, or DID, known formally as Multiple Personality Disorder. DID is a complex psychological condition that manifests through two or more distinct identities or personality states within a single individual. These identities may present with different behaviours, memories, and self-perceptions, leading to personal continuity and a sense of self-difficulty. Psychological stress is frequently the cause of sudden changes in identity. However, the occasional disconnection from reality during highly stressful situations is not uncommon or inherently indicative of DID. The test for dissociative identity disorder typically includes a series of questions covering aspects such as memory, identity, emotional response, perception, behaviour, and self-awareness. The responses to these inquiries assist healthcare providers in determining the extent and severity of dissociative symptoms, which in turn inform diagnostic decisions. As a result, it is commonly used by psychologists and therapists. Here's how to use a dissociative identity disorder test. The first step is to complete the information at the top and read the instructions. The patient will then need to rate each statement on a scale from never to always. Finally, add additional notes if needed and integrate the worksheet within treatments. To view a sample assessment of the DID test, head on over to carepatron.com where you can download and access the test for free. You can also access the test through the Carepatron platform, filter within the community section by typing in the keywords to find the note, and edit however you would like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.